Here dealer demo with 4,600 kilometer 2014 Stillen Supercharged Nissan 370Z Touring Convertible. You love this car because it has 450 horsepower, 3.7 liter V6 with dual Stillen Exhaust, dual cooled air intakes, and designed to deliver tremendous powers. 6-speed manual transmission. You love this car because it has a 3M covering 70% of the car, and has HID xenon headlights, and you have a huge savings of 22,500 from 66,500 down to 43,995. Has heated and cold seats, navigation, and all powered seats.